Now that you are getting comfortable working with layers and animations, let's take things a step further and explore one of the most exciting features in After Effects, that is visual effects. Effects allow you to transform a basic shape or text layer into something visually dynamic and engaging. Whether you are going for a subtle polish or something bold and stylized, effects can really help bring your composition to life. In this section, we'll walk through how to apply effects, adjust them, and combine them to create beautiful results, all in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Effects and Presets panel. To begin, look over to the right side of your screen and find the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see it there, no problem. Just go to the window menu at the top and make sure Effects and Presets is checked. The panel is like your toolbox of creative effects, and there are hundreds of them to choose from. Now inside that panel there is a search bar. Let's use it to quickly find a specific effect. Step 2. Add the glow effect. Type the word glow in the search bar. You'll see glow effect appear under stylize. This is a popular effect used to give text and shapes a soft, radiant glow, almost like they are emitting light. To apply it, simply click and drag the glow directly onto your text layer or shape layer in the timeline. Let's create a text layer first. Let's drag and drop. You'll notice the glow is immediately applied to your object in the composition panel. Pretty cool, right? But there's a lot more you can do with it. Step 3. Adjust the glow settings. Once you apply an effect, a new panel appears called the Effect Control Panels, usually at the top left of your workspace. If it's not visible, you can find it by selecting your layer and going to Window Effect Control. Inside this panel, you'll see several customizable settings for the glow effect. Glow radius control how far the glow spreads. Increasing this makes the glow softer and more spread out. Glow intensity determines how bright or powerful the glow is. A higher value makes it more dramatic. Glow colors let you choose whether the glow uses the original color of a layer or a specified color range. Take a few moments to experiment with these sliders. Try increasing the glow radius and lowering the intensity to create a smooth, subtle look, or do the opposite for a bold, neon style effect. Step 4. Explore more effects. Now that you have seen how to apply and adjust an effect, don't stop there. There are plenty of other effects you can try out. Here are few popular and beginner friendly ones. First one is drop shadow. It adds a shadow behind your layer for depth and contrast. Next one is Gaussian Blur. It blurs the layer to create a soft focus look. Going to next, we have tint. It quickly recolors your layer with just two colors, similar to that of gradient. Try CC Caladia. What it does is it creates a fun geometric pattern effect that can turn basic shape into symmetrical designs. To apply any of these, just search for them in Effects and Presets panel and drag them onto your layer, just like we did with Glow and with other effects as well. Step 5. Stack multiple effects. One of the most powerful features in After Effects is that you can stack multiple effects on a single layer. For example, you could combine Glow with Gaussian Blur and tend to give a text layer a dreamy, soft color glow, as we did just now, or pair Drop Shadow with CC Light to add depth and shimmer. The order of the effects in the effect control panels matters. Effects are processed from top to bottom, so try rearranging them to see how the final output changes. The last step is experiment and learn. The best advice I can give you at this stage is don't be afraid to experiment, play with different effects, test out unusual combinations and see what looks good. Even if something doesn't work perfectly in the first time, you are learning valuable skills by testing and adjusting. Motion graphics is a very hands-on process, and every new effect you try will teach you more about what After Effects can do. Try setting up a simple shape or text layer and challenge yourself to apply at least 3 different effects and make something unique. So there you have it, your first look into using effects in After Effects. These tools can elevate even the most basic animations into something truly eye-catching. The next part will build on this by exploring shape layers and combining effects, text and animate to build more advanced compositions. Stick around, there's so much more to discover.